My name is Mia. I am 19 years old. I live in a small town. My town is beautiful, but my town is also very quiet. There are no big schools here. There are no English teachers here. There is only one thing here: my dream. My dream is simple. I want to speak English. I want to speak it well. I want to speak it with confidence. But there is a problem. I have no money for classes. I have no tutor. I have no English-speaking friends. I have nothing. Only one thing: my phone and my strong, strong desire. One day, I sit on my bed. I open YouTube. I type 3 words: learn English free. And everything changes. The first day is exciting. I watch 1 video, then 2 videos, then 5 videos. I feel so happy. English is easy, I think. But the next morning, I wake up. I try to remember the words. I remember nothing. Only 1 word: hello. I feel sad. I feel stupid. I want to stop. But then I hear a voice in my head. It is my own voice. It says, "Mia, you did not start this to be comfortable. You started this to change your life." So I open YouTube again. I find a channel. The teacher has a friendly face. She speaks slowly. She explains everything. I understand maybe 30%, but that is okay. 30% is better than 0. I watch the same video again. Now I understand 40%. I watch it one more time. Now, maybe 50%. I learned something important that day. Repetition is... After that day, I make a routine. Every single day. I wake up at 6 a.m., I open YouTube, I watch 15 minutes of English, I write new words in my notebook. In the afternoon, I watch English videos with subtitles. First, I use my language subtitles. Then, after 2 weeks, I use English subtitles. It is hard, but I do it. At night, before I sleep, I listen to simple English stories. I close my eyes. I just listen. I don't translate. I just feel the language. Some days are great. I understand a lot. I feel so proud. Some days are terrible. I understand nothing. I feel lost. But I never stop. Not one day. Not one single day. Because I know one thing. Every day is one step. Small step. But still, a step forward. 3 months pass. One day, I am watching a YouTube video, but this time, it is not an English lesson. It is a cooking. 1 year passes. I can do things now that I could not do before. I can watch English YouTube videos without subtitles. I can read simple English articles. I can write short messages in English. I can speak. Not perfectly, but I can speak. I record a video of myself speaking English. I watch it. I laugh a little. My accent is strong. My grammar is not perfect. But my words are clear. My ideas are clear. My confidence, it is there. I send the video to my cousin in the city. She calls me in 5 minutes. She says, "Mia, when did you learn English? This is amazing." I smile and say, "I learned it from YouTube and from a very stubborn girl named Mia." Maybe you are like me. Maybe you have no money for a big school. Maybe you have no teacher near you. Maybe your English is very, very basic right now. That is okay. I understand you because I was you. Let me tell you the truth. English is not magic. It does not come in one night. It does not come from one video. It does not come easy. But it comes. It really comes. If you don't stop. You don't need a perfect classroom. You need a phone, an internet connection, and one strong reason. Your reason can be a job, a dream, a person, a place you want to go. Find your reason, hold it tight, and open YouTube. Start today. Not tomorrow, not Monday, today. Because somewhere, right now, a video is waiting for you. A teacher is waiting for you. A better version of you is waiting for you. Go find her. My name is Mia. I learned English alone, in a small room, with a small phone, and a big dream. If I can do it, so can you.